Most people in the United States think side hustles mean driving Uber, doing DoorDash, or working extra hours after a 9-to-5 job. But what if I told you that right now, ordinary Americans are making thousands of dollars per month using AI tools without coding, without quitting their jobs, and without any technical background? In this video, I'm going to break down the top 7 AI-powered side hustles you can start today in the USA, even if you're a complete beginner. These are not fake guru ideas, not theory, but real-world business models that are already working in 2025 and beyond. So if you want to build a smart income stream using AI while everyone else is still confused or scared about AI taking jobs, this video could literally change how you think about money. The first AI side hustle you can start in the USA is AI content creation for businesses, and this is one of the fastest growing opportunities right now. Small businesses, real estate agents, dentists, lawyers, and online brands desperately need content for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, blogs, and ads, but they don't have time or skills to create it. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and AI video generators, you can offer content packages where AI does 80% of the work, and you simply customize and deliver. In the US market, businesses happily pay $500 to $3,000 per month for content services, and the crazy part is that most of them don't even care how the content is made, as long as it brings attention and leads. The second powerful AI side hustle is AI-powered freelancing, and this is perfect for beginners because you don't need years of experience anymore. Services like resume writing, LinkedIn profile optimization, email marketing, ad copywriting, website content, and customer support can now be done faster and better using AI tools. On platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer, US clients are already paying premium rates for speed and quality. If you position yourself correctly as an AI-assisted specialist, you can deliver work faster than traditional freelancers and still charge high prices because American clients value results, not effort. The third AI side hustle is building and selling AI chatbots for local US businesses, and this is a goldmine that most people are still sleeping on. Restaurants, gyms, salons, real estate offices, and medical clinics all need automated chat systems to answer questions, book appointments, and capture leads 24/7. Using no-code chatbot platforms combined with AI, you can build custom chatbots in a few hours and charge setup fees plus monthly maintenance. In the US, businesses easily pay $1,000 to $5,000 for chatbot solutions because it saves them employees and increases conversions. The fourth side hustle you can start with AI is AI-powered YouTube automation, and this model is exploding right now. You don't need to show your face, you don't need expensive cameras, and you don't even need to record your own voice if you don't want to. AI can help with script writing, voiceovers, video editing, thumbnails, and even SEO optimization. Many US-based channels are generating passive income through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. And once your videos rank, they can make money for years. This is a long-term asset, not just a side hustle, and the USA audience is the highest-paying audience on YouTube. The fifth AI side hustle is selling AI-generated digital products, which is one of the smartest ways to build scalable income. These include ebooks, planners, prompts, templates, Notion dashboards, social media calendars, and business toolkits created with AI. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify are full of US buyers who prefer instant digital solutions. Once the product is created, AI helps you market, optimize listings, and even handle customer communication, meaning you can sell the same product again and again without extra work. The sixth powerful AI side hustle is AI-assisted affiliate marketing, and this is where AI really becomes a money machine. Instead of guessing what content to create, AI helps you analyze trends, keywords, and buyer intent. You can build niche websites, email newsletters, or social media pages that promote tools, software, or online services popular in the US. AI helps with writing high-converting articles, emails, and ads, allowing you to focus on strategy while automation handles execution. Many Americans are making full-time income from affiliate marketing simply because they use AI smarter than others. The seventh and final AI side hustle is offering AI automation services to busy professionals and online businesses in the USA. This includes automating email responses, CRM systems, appointment booking, customer follow-ups, and internal workflows using AI and automation tools. U.S. businesses hate repetitive tasks and love efficiency, which means they are willing to pay recurring monthly fees for automation solutions. Even basic automation setups can generate $2,000 to $10,000 per month once you sign a few consistent clients. Now here's the most important thing you need to understand about AI side hustles in the USA. The opportunity window is open right now, but it won't stay open forever. Just like social media marketing in 2015 or dropshipping in 2018, early movers always win the biggest share. You don't need to master all 7 side hustles. You only need to pick one, commit to it, and let AI amplify your effort. The US market rewards speed, innovation, and problem solving, not perfection. If you're watching this and thinking you're late, you're not. If you think you're not technical enough, AI removes that barrier. And if you think this only works for Americans, remember that the internet allows anyone to serve US clients from anywhere in the world. The only real difference between people making money with AI and people just watching videos about AI is action. Start messy, start small, but start now. If you want more step-by-step guides on how to build AI side hustles specifically for the USA market, make sure to subscribe to AI Hustle USA, because on this channel we don't just talk about AI, we show you how to turn it into income. Drop a comment below telling me which AI side hustle you want to start, and I'll see you in the next video.